Another class of algae is Phaeophyceae. Phaeophyceae. It is commonly called brown algae. It is commonly called brown algae. It has pigment chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C. It has pigment chlorophyll A and C. Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C. Outer membrane of brown algae is made up of algae. Outer wall is made up of algae. It is mucilaginous. It is mucilaginous. It is mucilaginous. Its plant body is divided in large. It is mostly multicellular. It is multicellular. Its plant body is divided into three parts. Its plant body is divided into three parts. Plant body is divided into three parts. Basal part which attach to substratum is called holdfast. Basal part which is attached to substratum is called holdfast. A stalk is called a stipe. A stalk is called a stipe. And upper leaf-like structure is called frond. And upper leaf-like structure is called frond. So it is comparatively bigger in shape and it is called kelp. So kelp is divided into three parts. First is holdfast, second is a stipe, and upper leaf-like structure is called frond. Reserve food material is laminarian starch and mannitol. Reserve food material is laminarian starch or mannitol. Sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction and vegetative reproduction is similar to Chlorophyceae. So reproduction is similar to Chlorophyceae. Reproduction is similar to Chlorophyceae. Chlorophyceae, that is, it reproduces vegetatively, asexually and sexually. and third class of algae is called Rhodophyceae. Rhodophyceae. It is commonly called red algae. It is commonly called red algae. It is commonly called red algae. It is mostly marine. It is mostly marine. Important pigment is chlorophyll A, D, and R phycoerythrin. Pigment chlorophyll A, D, and R phycoerythrin. In this way, you can differentiate in all three class regarding pigment. Chlorophyceae have chlorophyll A and B. Brown algae has chlorophyll A and C, and phycoxanthin. And here chlorophyll A, D, and R phycoerythrin. It produces important type of product called agar. Agar is important substance which has many uses, and agar is obtained from Gelidium and Glaciolaria. So it produces agar which is obtained from Gelidium and Glaciolaria. Gelidium and Glaciolaria. Agar is important in research work. It has other industrial importance also. So agar has great importance. Agar has great importance. A plant body is generally multicellular. It is generally multicellular. And reserve food material in red algae is Floridian starch. Reserve food material is Floridian starch. Like Chlorophyceae and Phaeophyceae, it also reproduces by vegetatively, asexually, and sexually. It reproduces by vegetatively, asexually, and sexually. Important is Polysiphonia. Example: Polysiphonia, Gelidium, etc. In this way, we have read three class of algae: Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, and Rhodophyceae. Chlorophyceae is commonly called green algae, Phaeophyceae is commonly called brown algae, and Rhodophyceae is called red algae. Basically, one difference is that Chlorophyceae has chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Phaeophyceae has chlorophyll A and C and phycoxanthin, and Rhodophyceae has chlorophyll A, D and R phycoerythrin.